If you are looking for a job, then it is very important that you understand how to offer yourself in the best way to an employer. This is done by writing a CV, curriculum vitae, or a resume. What is a resume? A resume is a self-promotional document that presents you in the best possible light, for the purpose of getting invited to a job interview. It's not an official personnel document. It's not a job application. It's not a career obituary. And it's not a confessional. What contents within the resume? It's not just about past jobs. It's about you, and how you performed and what you accomplished in those past jobs, especially those accomplishments that are most relevant to the work you want to do next. A good resume predicts how you might perform in that desired future job. What is the fastest way to improve a resume? Remove everything that starts with responsibilities included and replace it with on-the-job accomplishments. Most common resume mistake made by job hunters. Leaving out their job objective. If you don't show a sense of direction, employers won't be interested. Having a clearly stated goal doesn't have to confine you if it's stated well. What's the first step in writing a resume? Decide on a job target, or job objective, that can be stated in about 5 or 6 words. Anything beyond that is probably fluff and indicates a lack of clarity and direction. Chronological resume or a functional one. The chronological format is widely preferred by employers, and works well if you're staying in the same field, especially if you've been upwardly mobile. Only use a functional format if you're changing fields, and you're sure a skills-oriented format would show off your transferable skills to better advantage, and be sure to include a clear chronological work history. What if you don't have any experience in the kind of work you want to do? Get some. Find a place that will let you do some internship work right away. You only need a brief, concentrated period of internship training to have at least some experience to put on your resume. Also, look at some of the internship work you've done in the past and see if any of that helps document some skills you'll need for your new job. Different countries may have different requirements and styles for CV resumes. So you must follow the correct practice for your culture and country. All the best for your job search.